Here you go, baby.
Thank you, Mommy.
I want you to have my cookie.
Oh, another cookie for Mommy? Or for baby?
Huh?
Thank you. Who's at our tea party?
Animals.
Animals. Oh, your animals are sleeping.
Where? No, they're just having a break and they're tired.
Oh, are they tired?
Look.
Oh, what's that? A chocolate-covered heart.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that was a loud crunch. Do you like dipping your hearts in your chocolate milk? In your tea, I mean.
And my tea.
In your tea? You can drink your tea? I always like it because you put your pinky up when you drink your tea.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Can you show Mommy how you drink your tea? Oh, remember, I thought that one goes up in the air. Oh, no? Well, you hold it with the pinky sometimes. That's very fancy. Very, very fancy tea drinking. Whoa! That's why this... Oh, thank you for sharing it. Thank you. That's very generous of you. What do you put in your tea?
I put in, this one.
And what's that one again?
It's salt and pepper.
Oh, salt and pepper in your tea. Oh, that's very tasty.
This one is pepper and that one is spicy salt.
A spicy salt? Oh, I see.
So you have one.
Can I put sugar in my tea?
No, that sugar is mine.
Oh, I see.
And we there's only a couple, but we run out.
Oh, okay.
There's not any more in the freezer.
Oh, no, not in the freezer?
No, sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
And you guys just Williams cry.
Wee! Wee!
We have to buy it someday.
Okay, when we go grocery shopping, are you going to take me grocery shopping and we can buy it?
But it's upstairs.
Oh, is it okay? I love you.
I love you.